Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix slow motion and low FPS issue in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game, or lagging or stuttering or freezing problem in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game. So without wasting time, follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So first thing you must do is to tweak the in-game settings. So launch the game, and once you're on this menu screen, click on options. Then go to the graphic settings tab. Now set the display mode to window. Turn off the motion blur. Now set the resolution to 1920 by 1080p. If it is selected 4K, then select the 1920 by 1080p and then check. Or you can also lower down your resolution and check which one works for you. So let me select 1920 by 1080p. Now turn on the vertical sync and set the anti-aliasing type to DLSS performance. Now reduce the scaling resolution. You can reduce between 50 to 70 and check. And then set the graphic quality to medium or low. You can select medium and then check, or you can also select low quality and then check. So after setting display mode to window, motion blur turn it off, resolution set to 1920 by 1080p, turn on the vertical sync, set the anti-aliasing type to DLSS performance, reduce the scaling resolution between 50 to 70 and set the graphics quality to medium or low quality and then confirm it, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Second thing you must do is to run the game in dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the game folder, that is MTFS folder. Open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this MTFS Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list over here. Here it is. Expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And also make sure optimizations for windowed game is turned on. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these steps, you can easily fix slow motion and low FPS issue in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game, or lagging, stuttering or freezing problem in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.